because it's simple, it's easy, and it's executive ready. Knowing their business better than they do. Believe me, CROs are going to want to know this. If you sell anything proving rep productivity, this will work great. If you want to gain the ear of executives, you have to build their trust. And the best way to establish trust is to teach them something new about their business that they don't already know. The POV framework you can stick in any product, any solution, any service, and it will work. Hey everyone, Ian Koniak here, and today I'm thrilled to share a POV framework that I just developed. I've shared this with my private coaching clients and people in Untap Your Sales Potential. Now I'm excited to share it with you guys as a gift to the sales community. It's been working phenomenal in the field because it's simple, it's easy, and it's executive ready. See, the problem today is people have these big, long slide decks. They're detailed, they're about the product, they're about your company. It's not about the problem and the customer. And a lot of times the slide decks never even make it to executives. So you need a way to simplify the value of your solution, of your deal. And especially in Q4, you need to be able to tell it to many people as you multi-thread with deals. So this is a great way and an easy way to take any deal that you have and turn it into a powerful POV that you can memorize and you can share with anyone, and especially with executives level, at the executive level, because when you get higher up with executives, they don't want to get lost in the weeds. They don't want to hear about all the product features. And so let's dive into it, and I'll just go through it right now, and then I'll give you an example of how you can use it based on what you sell. And I'll give you an example from one of my clients that I'm just making up, but it's a real product. And I'll show you how easy it is to plug into this POV. So the framework is simple. The first part of it is you're trying to achieve X. This is where you insert their highest level goals and priorities, and always tie it to the highest executive goals. So again, launch an AI initiative, improve margins, grow revenue, mitigate risk, reduce costs, right? You want to look for those CEO initiatives, those highest level initiatives, become number one in their marketplace, expand globally. So the biggest initiatives that executives, that's what you want to put here. You don't want to put things like improve productivity, right? Why do they want to improve productivity? Because they have some type of revenue goal. So keep it aligned to the high level executive goal that ultimately tactics and priorities are part of. So highest level goals here. But what's getting in the way is why. This is where you're going to educate them on what's actually happening at the ground level. A lot of times executives and decision makers are removed from all the pain and the problems and the manual work that their team has to do. So that's where you're going to say, hey, this thing happening right here is getting in the way, okay? And if you want to gain the ear of executives, you have to build their trust. And the best way to establish trust is to teach them something new about their business that they don't already know. Teach them something new, and it's got to be related to the thing that you know about. So you're not going to go tell an oil company how to drill better, but you can tell them, hey, here's the manual processes that is slowing down drilling, and your goal of accelerating new drill sites is impacted because your employees have this bottleneck here, which is delaying time to drill new sites. So again, it's really about how the thing that your knowledge is specific to is impacting the thing they care about. That's the key, is you're trying to do this, but what's getting in the way that you may not be aware of. Key phrase that you may not already be aware of is why. So once you teach them something new that they weren't already aware of, or maybe they didn't know the extent of, you establish instant credibility. So that's the second part. And then you insert the problem that they're facing, the root cause of the problem, and the pain that it's causing. Again, I'll show you an example of this in a minute, but this is huge, okay? We can solve for this. We can solve for why by doing this, okay? We can solve for why by doing this. This is where you're going to explain what your solution and how your solution addresses the problem that you educated them on that they weren't aware of. And finally, by solving this problem, you can accelerate achieving your goal faster or achieve the vision that you have for your company. Okay, so This framework is super simple. It's super tight. It maps to their highest priorities. It teaches them something new, and it addresses a problem that they didn't know they had, and that's impacting their business. So let's give a simple example. And I apologize in advance if I fumble. I don't know this product well. I'm just showing you how easy it is to plug in. So one of my clients, who I'm going to give him kudos publicly, his name's Rob Anderson. He's the CRO. He's killing it, of Titan X. And Titan X helps improve connection rates for outbound prospecting, okay? So if I talk about improving connection rates, it doesn't have a lot of impact. It's like, well, what does that really mean? But if you put it in this framework, let me show you how it can work for a client. So one of your goals, let's say he's talking to a client, you're trying to grow revenue this year by 20%. And a major strategy is to build your pipeline. And to build your pipeline, you've went and hired, a big BDR team. You've hired, you've doubled your BDR team from 50 to 100 people. Again, I'm making up these numbers. You've doubled them. And you're now spending, $5 million on this new BDR team extra, okay? But what's getting in the way is, even with all these new BDRs, right now, their conversion rate on calls to meetings is only 1%. So you went and spent $5 million to basically get more people and throw more bodies in it, but their conversion rate is so low, you have to double the amount of BDRs that you need to be able to build your pipeline. And it's not giving you twice as much pipeline as you actually wanted, because their conversion rate is only 1% right now, okay? And the reason their conversion rate is only 1% is because when they dial and when they call people, they are only getting 1 in 10 people out of the phone. And of those 1 in 10 people they talk to, only one of those books a meeting. So out of 100 dials, they get 10 on the phone and 1 in 10 books a meeting, okay? And because of that, you need to have 100 dials for one meeting. That means each BDR can only book one meeting per day because no one's picking up the phone, okay? So you've had to now spend an extra $5 million to double the team, but your pipeline is not doubling because they're not actually connecting with customers. Now, Titan X can solve this problem by increasing the connect rate from 10% on the phone to 25%. And we do that by looking at intent data for pickups, for phone pickups. We actually analyze all the people in your database, and we can see which one of those are most likely to pick up. And that's the list that we get to your BDR, instead of them blindly calling every lead when most of them are unlikely to pick up the phone. We actually point them and surface the ones that are most likely to pick up using call intent data, okay? And by doing that, we can get those same 100 dials to 25 pickups. And if they keep that same appointment rate, those 25 pickups become 2.5 meetings if they keep the 10% pickup to meeting booked. So now you just got 2.5x more appointments from the $5 million that you invested, right? So maybe you don't need to hire double the BDRs, or maybe now you can really build the pipeline because 100 BDRs instead of 50 now have 2.5x more meetings booked. Now, we do this by using our AI algorithm, right, to be able to really understand who is likely to pick up, analyzing history. And if you don't believe us, right, you can get your money back. And that's actually the guarantee Titan gives, because they guarantee that 25% pickup. And so by getting it from, 10% to 25%, you're going to book 2.5 meetings per 100 dials instead of one meeting. And that's going to enable you to build your pipeline, which will be required to hit your revenue goal of 20% growth this year. Okay, let's talk and have a meeting. Now you can take that to a CRO, you can take it to a CFO, you can take it to a head of sales, a head of business development, but it's a very compelling message because it maps to their goal, the problem. And again, the more data you have about their connect rate, the more data you have about their conversion rate, the more you can plug your solution and have some really powerful POV on what could be possible using their numbers. If you don't have the numbers, again, you can talk about most average people have a pickup rate of 10%, we'll get it to 25, which equates to millions of dollars and more pipeline. So it's a simple way. And again, it sounds like I know where their product is. I don't. I coach Rob, but I know nothing about their product. I can just tell you that the POV framework you can stick in any product, any solution, any service, and it will work. So I want you guys to use this. I want you to take your solution as an assignment and plug it in. Plug in your customers' goals, plug in what's getting in the way that they may not be aware of. Why? Again, problem is conversion rate is only 1%. Root cause is because the connect rate, 1 in 10 people pick up the phone, right? So 90 people don't even get to talk to the BDR. And the pain it's causing is the pipeline isn't building at the rate at which doubling their BDR team was supposed to deliver, right? So you're really, again, going deep, knowing their business better than they do. Believe me, CROs are going to want to know this. If you sell anything with, again, improving rep productivity, this will work great. We solve for this with our unique approach, looking at call intent data or pickup intent data, which enables you to reach more people, ultimately book more appointments. Even if you keep your conversion rate the same at 10%, you're still going to get 2.5 times more, which will get you 2.5 times more pipeline and support your revenue growth goals. So use this, try it out. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching this and good luck, good selling. Close out the year strong. I'll see you guys later.